Today I am back with another Karnataka special recipe, Girmit. Originally from North Karnataka, but it has become one of Karnataka's most famous street style snack. It's spicy, tangy, full of flavors. Every bite is simply irresistible. Keep the Girmit masala ready and this delicious snack comes together in less than few minutes. Perfect after school snack for kids and an evening tea time treat. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started and make this delicious Girmit. Here I have a bowl of crispy puffed rice ready. Let's make a roasted gram flour powder. This is the most important ingredient for this recipe and this is what makes the recipe so special. Add about 3 tablespoons into a mixer jar and make a fine powder out of it. In a bowl, soak a lemon-sized tamarind and few pieces of jaggery. Into a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil, handful of peanuts. Roast it very well and take them out once it turns crunchy. Next, it's time to make Girmit masala. To the same pan, add quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Fry it well until it turns slightly transparent. Do not overcook this. This looks good. Now I am adding few curry leaves, 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. Cook it well until it turns mushy. 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, half a teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and that's it. We do not need any other spice powders here. Just mix it well. Add salt as per your taste. Onion and tomatoes are cooked very well. Now it's time to add tamarind and jaggery extract. Cook it very well. Do not rush this step. This is one of the most important steps in making Girmit too, as it cooks the sweet, tangy and spicy flavor blend together beautifully, creating a rich and flavorful base. This base is what gives Girmit to its special signature taste. To this base I am adding 1 tablespoon of roasted gram flour which we had prepared earlier. Give it a good mix. Now our Girmit masala is completely ready. You can prepare this masala in advance and store it. Whenever you are ready to enjoy Girmit, simply mix it with fresh crunchy puffed rice. Now I will show you how to mix this masala with puffed rice in a street style way. This is about 2 cups of puffed rice. Gently mix it. Look at this, it is nicely combined. Now it's time to add fresh onion and tomato. Just like bel puri, add some chopped tomato, onion, chopped green chilies and some coriander leaves. Roasted peanuts which we had prepared earlier. One last mix and then our Girmit is ready to serve. And here you go, authentic Karnataka's Girmit too is ready to enjoy. To make it perfect street style, sprinkle some save and top it with green chili. Enjoy this authentic Karnataka street style snack with tea or coffee. There are many other authentic Karnataka's recipes on my channel. Please do check that out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.